Whether you've just completed a certification, want to showcase your skills more professionally, or simply want your profile to stand out to recruiters, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this video, your badge will be proudly displayed on your LinkedIn profile for everyone to see. First, open your LinkedIn account and log in. Once you're inside, go to your profile by clicking your name or tapping View Profile. Make sure you're on your main profile page before continuing so you don't miss any steps. Next, click on the Add Profile section button. A menu will appear. Now select Background, and under that, click on Licenses and Certifications. This is the official place where LinkedIn stores badges, certificates, and credentials, so it's the perfect spot for your Google Cloud badge. Now click Add License or Certification. You'll see a form where you can enter all your badge details. Start by typing the name of your badge, for example, Google Cloud Digital Leader, Cloud Engineer, or any badge you've earned. After that, choose the issuing organization. For Google Cloud badges, select Google Cloud or Cridley, depending on where your badge was issued from. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure to enter the correct issue date, and if your badge never expires, leave the expiration box unchecked. If it does expire, enter the correct expiration date. Also, look for the credential ID and credential URL on your badge page. This is usually available in Cridley. Adding these helps recruiters verify your certification easily. Once you've entered the details, paste the credential URL into the field provided. If your badge doesn't have a public link, you can upload your badge image to Google Drive and paste the shareable link here. Just make sure the file is set to anyone with a link can view, so employers can access it. After filling in everything, click Save, and that's it. Your Google Cloud badge will now appear beautifully on your LinkedIn profile under the Licenses and Certifications section. It boosts your credibility, highlights your skills, and helps you stand out instantly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add your Google Cloud badge to LinkedIn easily and professionally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, feel free to share it with anyone who's trying to display their achievements. Why not make someone's day easier?